Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a drawstring bag. Before starting, make sure you already have the crocheted bag with the threads cut and secured. You'll also need 2 drawstrings that have been crocheted and still have loose ends on both sides. Lastly, prepare 2 crochet balls with a starting tail and an ending tail left on them. Now, let's start the assembly. The first step is to attach the drawstring. For this, you'll need a needle. Thread one of the drawstrings through the needle and begin from one side of the bag. Insert and pull the needle out through the stitches, going all the way around until you come back to the starting point. Make sure to go under 2 stitches. Then over 2 stitches.
Then
under 2 stitches.
And repeat.
Once you've threaded it through, adjust the string length to make sure both sides are equal. Now for the other drawstring, it's the same process. Thread the drawstring through the needle. But this time flip the bag over and start from the opposite side. Insert and pull the needle through in the same under 2 and over 2 pattern, completing a loop around the bag. Adjust the lengths again so both sides are even. Next, take one of the crochet balls. Start by pulling the starting tail of the ball through the inside to hide it. Then take one of the drawstring ends and tie a secure knot with the starting tail of the ball. Please make sure it's the starting tail, not the ending tail. After tying, use tweezers to push the ends into the ball. For finishing the ball, use the ending tail of the ball. Thread it through a needle. Pass the needle through the heads of the last round stitches of the ball. You can just go through it, front loop only. And then pull tight to close it. Lastly, tuck in any remaining ends into the ball. and trim off any excess yarn. Once this is done, repeat the same steps for the second ball. And your drawstring bag will be ready to use.